Welcome. In this video, we will learn about Python directory and file management. We will learn about file and directory management in Python, that is creating a directory, renaming it, listing all directories and working with them. If there are a large number of files to handle in your Python program, you can arrange your codes within different directories to make things more manageable. A directory or folder is a collection of files and subdirectories. Python has the OS module, which provides us with many useful methods to work with directories. Let's do it by using an example. Open the terminal, change the directory mode to desktop. Open the command Python, it opens up the interactive mode shell. Import the module OS, which is used for operating system functionality. Let's see, we can get present working directory using getCwd method. The output is showing that I'm on the desktop mode. We can change the current working directory using chdr method. I'll use os.chdr with argument as changing directory path name. I'll use it as desktop directory to change. You can see I have changed the directory mode. Once check using getCwd command, it will print them as backup directory as my current path. Now see how we can work with list directories and files. All files and subdirectories inside a directory can be known. As you can see that using list_dir command, I am listing all the files present in a particular directory. Now let's create directory using command mkdir and file name. You can see that it is successfully created the directory. Now change directory mode and create another directory new. It created successfully. Now rename the directory using two parameters. See, it worked successfully. Lastly, removing directory. Using rmdir command, it successfully removed the directory. By doing this, we can do numerous operations for directories. That's it in this video on Python directory and file management. Thank you for watching this video.